everyone, here I would like to introduce you ZKTeco Enterprise-Grade Time and Attendance Solution, BioTime 8.0. It's a powerful web-based time and attendance management software that can handle hundreds of devices, thousands of employees and their transactions. It works as a private cloud to offer employee self-service through mobile application and web browser. Multiple administrators can access BioTime 8.0 anywhere by web browser at the same time. First, I will make a general instruction of the BioTime 8.0 modules. Personnel module. The personnel module includes 4 parts. Department management to set the company's main architecture. Employee management to enter the employee's information, such as biometric template, resignation, attribute information, and so on, into the system. Allocating employees to various departments and to maintain employee details. Workflow management to create a systematic structure with multi-level management. Configurations to add document details to each employee. For the upcoming version of BioTime 8.0, it supports to import and export of employee data with USB format. Device module. Device management includes the installation of devices and settings the device parameters. It allows you to manage the connected devices from the system. The employee data of the devices will be auto-synchronized by area. This module also allows to manage short message, biophoto, attendance transaction, registration devices, and so on. Attendance module. The software supports multiple terminals for employee attendance, such as mobile app, attendance device, and fingerprint scanner. All the attendance records from these terminals will be uploaded to the software for attendance calculation. The software can generate 31 kinds of attendance reports, which has mostly satisfied the customer's need. The attendance reports can be exported to corresponding email account, server paths, FTP or SFTP server paths according to the set frequency. The third-party software can integrate with the software and get the attendance result with API, database middle table, or reading the exported attendance report. The software mainly has 4 kinds of schedules: department schedule, group schedule, employee schedule, and temporary schedule. To satisfy our customers' needs according to the different timetable rule setting, the schedule can be classified as flexible shift schedule, auto shift schedule, cross-day shift schedule, and multi-timetable shift schedule. The rule for non-scheduled day setting is for the personnel who is not assigned to a time schedule but have attendance punch records and need to process time and attendance calculation. For the upcoming version of BioTime 8.0, it supports leave balance management. Payroll module. The payroll management efficiently manages the financial records of the employees. It keeps track of all the payroll-related details. 4 simple steps to use payroll module. First, users can set formulas for overtime, exception, leave, other kinds of increment and deduction. Second, set the salary structure for corresponding employee, such as set the basic salary, bond formulas for the employee. Third, employee can ask for loan, salary advance, and reimbursements as required. Fourth, make the payroll calculation. The software will get the attendance calculation result from attendance module to make the payroll calculation. Users can calculate the payroll by day, by week, or by month. Check and export corresponding payroll report. Access Control Module. The logic of Access Control Module is designed based on the advanced access control function in attendance push device, shown as this picture. Once the attendance device connects with the software will judge whether the attendance device can be set as access control device. If yes, then the users can set the access control parameters, time period, holidays, access groups, unlock combinations, and so on the software. And the software will issue the settings to the attendance device. The device will judge whether the employee has the access opening the door according to the unlock combination setting. So, the access control module of BioTime 8.0 can't connect ZKTeco in Bio or C3 series controllers because the business logic is different. All the functions are developed based on the attendance push device. Visitor Module. A visitor management system represents all the procedures and activities that an organization has set in place to handle visitor movement from beginning to the end as part of the visitor's interface. The visitor is integrated with access control module facilitates to control records and check visitors. The functional features of this module include visitor reservation and approval, visitor entry registration, visitor exit registration, visitor history report, enable or disable visitor status. Meeting module. The meeting module is the process of planning and booking a meeting from hustle to harmony between teams by managing the meeting requests, providing access to only the required attendees, schedule, agenda, and other related actions. For the coming version of BioTime 8.0, the integration with Zoom facilitates BioTime 8.0 to realize the online meeting function. MTD module. The MTD module obtains verification records from the mask and body temperature detection devices and shows the records on the software in real time. On dashboard, it makes statistics for the daily and monthly temperature and mask status of employee. If there is a personnel who has higher body temperature or does not wear a mask, an email notification will be sent to the personnel himself, the system super user and system user who has permission to access the department to which the personnel belongs. And also if the personnel's app status is enabled, the software will also push notification to corresponding personnel app account. And the software will generate corresponding statistic reports for the temperature and mask. Mobile app. The mobile app comes with a user-friendly interface. It integrates with Google Maps. Employee can make real-time attendance with geographic location, and the attendance records will be uploaded to the software in real time for attendance calculation. Users can set the employee or department's attendance range on the software so that the employee can only make attendance within specific attendance range. Employee can apply for manual log, leave, overtime, schedule adjustment, and so on. And the employee can approve according a corresponding request under the condition that he has the right. Private and public announcement can be set and pushed to the corresponding employee's account. The approver and admit can check employees' attendance report. Multiple languages are supported for different countries and regions. The system setting facilitates you to assign system users, configure roles for each user, and set mailbox, automatic export, task, backup, and Restoration, Data Migration Operation Logs Act. Here are some typical features of the system module. Authentication management, data backup and restoration, data migration from ZKTime.net, ZKTime Web, BioTime 7.0, WDMS to BioTime 8.0, attendance report and transactions auto export, LDAP integration for employee and users information synchronization, custom email template, Trello integration for WhatsApp and SMS alert, export encryption for the exported file from the software to ensure the data security. And second, I would like to introduce you the application of BioTime 8.0, such as government institution, construction site, train stores, commercial office, hospitals, retail and logistics, school and universities, and bank. Third, I would like to introduce you some successful cases of BioTime 8.0. First is a successful case for Office. The project can handle 500 G3 plus and more than 10,000 personnel. For the places that do not have a 3G or 4G signal, the device will upload attendance records via SMS to BioTime 8.0. And BioTime 8.0 integrates with third-party HR system via database middle table to synchronize personal data. Integrates with AD for user login. The second successful case is for pandemic in Turkey. Personnel needs to show his code. The device will upload the code to BioTime 8.0. BioTime 8.0 will query and recognize the code's data from the Turkey government's database. Feedback the result to the device. If the code is normal, then it requires the personnel to make body temperature and mask detection. If it's normal, then the personnel's pass is allowed. On the software, there is a real-time monitoring dashboard for the verification. Through the case study, we can see that BioTime 8.0 can handle hundreds of devices and thousands of employees and their transactions. Third-party software can be integrated with BioTime 8.0 via API, middle table easily for data synchronization. Also, BioTime 8.0 can integrate with local media app for specific message notification and so on. Finally, I would like to show you the specifications of BioTime 8.0. First is the software specifications, such as the system architecture, template, network, database, supported operating systems, recommended browser version, software capacity. And second is the hardware specification. This is the basic hardware requirement for installing BioTime 8.0. For some big projects, we will give specific suggestions for hardware requirement in order that the software can perform well. So this is the introduction of BioTime 8.0. For more information, please visit our company website. Thanks for listening.